Cities use intelligence location to meet any kind of geospatial challenge by putting all the data together. The first challenge is the vast amount of data that a city is right now collecting. So you have to think about all the millions and millions of mobile phones that are out there. They are collecting constantly data. In addition to this, you have to think about the buildings, street lights, underground data, above ground data, street level data, LiDAR data. All this big amount of data must be collected as once, and we are able to do that. We are able to collect any kind of data, no matter the format is. We are able to collect all the data. We can put all of them together in our hub, and we can distribute all the data to any kind of client. It could be a web browser-based application, a rich application, or a mobile device, a very light application. Within this ecosystem, we are able to meet and fulfill any urban challenge that any decision maker may have. And we, Hexagon Geospatial, have the right tools for not only collecting the data, but as I said, distributing the data and analyzing, simulating, and visualizing correctly all the data. Another example is pollution sensors. We can measure the pollution of each city by installing the right sensors and collecting all the info. By merging this information given by the sensors along with meteorological and weather information, we can simulate any kind of risk, population risk within the city. We can, for example, calculate within a time frame the people who might be affected in case the pollution signal increases by any factor. So again, we are analyzing, visualizing, and simulating any use case for the city planner. But I believe that we are going to keep multiplying exponentially the number of data which is being captured by the different sensors. So more and more and more, a platform able to handle this vast amount of data is really necessary. If they keep using the same prehistoric technology, they will never see the future, because they will never be able to handle this such a big amount of data.